Have you ever wanted to know what a dinosaur really sounded like? Okay, maybe not quite like that, but is there any scientific ways that we can figure out what they would have sounded like? When it comes to sound, most studies have been done on these guys, the hadrosaurs, also known as duck-billed dinosaurs, often referred to as the cows of the Cretaceous. Many of them have different shaped crests on their heads. Among them was this one, the Parasaurolophus, known for its long curved crest, which was once thought to have been a snorkel. But of course, that's not the case because there's no opening in it. So now experts believe it was used as a resonating chamber used to make sounds. And we think that might be true for all the hadrosaurs. And here's something that's gonna blow your mind. In 1997, scientists at the New Mexico Museum of Natural History took a well-preserved Parasaurolophus crest, put it through a CT scan, and were able to look inside the crest. They noticed it has a series of tubes, similar to the tubes in a trombone, which is probably where the sound may have came through. Then they made a 3D model out of it, and here it comes. We're able to digitally recreate what this animal may have sounded like. And these were the results. Whew, what do you think about that? Cover me, I'm going in.